everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Cabify application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Cabify and search. From the search results, tap open the Cabify application, which looks like this, and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Cabify is a ride-sharing app similar to Uber or Lyft. You can use the platform to hail a ride from your phone and get picked up by a nearby driver. You can request a car and get picked up by a driver for a comfortable and affordable ride to your destination. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed. After the app is installed, tap on Open. And that's how you can easily download Cabify application on your very own mobile device. You can now continue logging in or signing up for Cabify and get started with your ride-sharing experience. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.